Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you'll learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Breyer, and today we are making delicious blueberry chia pudding. This is such an easy recipe, and it tastes amazing. So I'm really excited to make it so I can eat it. The ingredients in this recipe are grape juice concentrate, soy milk or your choice of milk, chia seeds, and frozen blueberries. The first thing that we're going to do is add 1/2 cup of grape juice concentrate to a medium saucepan and make sure it's 100% juice, no sugar added. Next, 1/2 cup of soy milk or whatever choice of milk you will like. Now 1/3 cup of chia seeds. We're going to stir these all together. Okay, I'm going to bring the mixture to a boil. While it's coming to a boil, I'm going to stir frequently. Okay, our mixture has come to a boil. I'm going to stir in 4 cups of frozen blueberries. Stir these in. So now I'm going to bring the mixture back up to a boil. You want to stir frequently. Okay, our blueberry chia pudding came to a boil. I'm going to reduce it to a simmer. I'm going to simmer it about 5 to 7 minutes until about 3/4 of the blueberries are broken down. I do want to leave some whole blueberries because they're really delicious. So go ahead and stir frequently. If it gets too low, turn the heat up higher. You want to keep it at a simmer, which is a small boil. I'm going to simmer 5 to 7 minutes until about 3/4 of the blueberries have broken down, stirring frequently. Okay, our blueberry chia pudding has simmered down. I'm going to turn off the heat. I still have some whole blueberries, which I like, but you can simmer it as long as you want. If you want them all simmered down, you can do that. So we can't eat it quite yet. We need to chill it first. I'm going to pour it in a bowl. Okay, I'm going to let it cool a little bit on the counter. Then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to chill. Once it's cold and chilled, we'll try it. The hardest part about the blueberry chia pudding is waiting for it to chill. It's chilled. I'm ready to try it. Looks so delicious. And I know it's delicious because I've had this before. And you could have it just like this, or I always have to put whipped cream on it. Got regular whipped cream. You can use a vegan whipped cream, whatever you like. Okay, ready to try. This is just amazing. It's so refreshing and sweet, I already know. So delicious. Fresh, sweet, so good. You're going to love it. It's really easy. Try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.